Okay, so this is background into what it looks like planning an orange eating competition.
Yay.
It's Thursday night. We have a math midterm tomorrow in like
I finished
14 hours. He finished. What are we're planning? We're trying to make a cool trophy. So this is a prototype. We're gonna put that orange. We're gonna put that on top of a mini trophy. And then we have about 43 oranges. We have some oranges here, some oranges there, and we're gonna see who shows up and how many oranges we can eat. I feel like I can eat a lot of oranges, so we'll see. We got the orange eating competition trophy.
We're the makers.
She painted it. I crafted it.
We're starting cutting up the oranges, making it easier for the competitors. We're here with
Nathan.
And why do you think you're gonna win?
I'm gonna win because I can eat the most oranges out of anybody here. I know it. Ever since I was a kid, I've been able to eat 1,000,000 oranges at once. Watch this.
Hello, my name is Noah, and I'm gonna win this because I've eaten multiple oranges before in my life, and it hasn't gone badly yet.
Yeah, my name's Nigel, and I'm gonna win this challenge because I have orange hair.
I'm Erica. I'm gonna win because my ex had an orange cat.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the orange eating competition of UBC. Today, we'll feature 2 rounds. The first round will be the first 3 to finish 4 oranges. After that, competitors will have 10 minutes to peel and eat as many oranges as possible. The first 3 to finish will move on to the finals.
I wanna eat some oranges.
Alright, wait, we need to cut up 4 oranges.
3, 2, 1, go!
Dude, it looks like you didn't eat any of them.
One more spot! Oh, he's going.
I'm going.
Stand up, if you're done, stand up.
Stand up.
Let's go, Josh, walk in.
You have 10 minutes. Once you need more oranges, you can grab it from Susanna. The judge in front of you will keep count. That is what we compete for.
It's real gold, it's real gold.
Okay. Jacob.
Contestant! 3, 2, 1, go!
Almost.
You're taking the orange out, Evan.
I'm not taking the orange out.
Disqualified.
Minus 10 seconds.
Evan, you're selling.
I know.
Evan!
Guys, this is not working.
Yes, it is.
Confident right now.
Oh, there
10.
we go.
You're 9.
What's Nigel at?
9.
No!
There's 4 minutes left, Evan.
Less talking, more eating. No excuses.
Oh, you don't got grades. Go on to the next one.
14! What?
Evan,
1 minute remaining. 30 seconds.
Can we get a countdown?
Yeah.
You should have bet on this. All right, he's going
10, 9, 8,
What's the at?
7, 6, 5, 15, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's done.
It is with great sadness but great honor to crown UBC's Orange Champion, finishing not only 4 oranges in, how fast did it take you?
1 minute and 26.
4 oranges in 1 minute and 26. Following that, eating 15 oranges under 10 minutes, totaling 19 oranges within one sitting. Nathan the Boy. Second place.
Okay.
Grapefruits are better, Evan.
I don't even like oranges.
Thank you all for coming. Thank you.
So, Nathan, tell us how you're feeling.
Bad. Well, I feel great emotionally. I have a great field of competitors. My lips are on fire and I want to vomit. But you know what? That's for the sake of the sport.
Love it. Nigel, how are you feeling?
I beat Evan. That's all. The second I saw this guy do the first round, I knew I was losing to him. But all I needed to do was beat this kid right here.
Okay, kid right here, how are you feeling?
I beat Nigel in the first round. I feel very disappointed, very sick. I don't think I've ever had 16 oranges before. Why did I do that?
Judges, commentary?
Great performance by all the competitors. Really hard battle.
Lock into his head. You ever do this again?
No. I like running the events, not doing that.
I'm just terrified that this clump of orange is going to hit my stomach at some point and I'm just going to keel over and die.
Yeah, you should feel much worse than this.
Yeah, I feel so normal right now.
Maybe you should have ate more oranges.
Evan, I beat you, okay?
I can't stare at
And they come on style. Orange eating competition. Success.
Question mark?
But I got there.
Womp womp.
Womp womp.
Womp womp.
Womp womp.
Wait, do you know the clip though?